guys, happy Planner Wednesday. And let me show you what we're going to be doing this spread. I'm really excited. I love the Phantom of the Opera, so that's what I'm going to be doing it on. When I found this paper at Michael's on sale, I knew I had to do the Phantom of the Opera. So this one is going to come into play where he creates the music and they sing so much, and he loves music and so does she. And then this is the softer side, what Christine brings in. And so I think they'll pair nicely together. And then I chose this washi that I've used before. I think I got this at Michael's. And I'm going to be playing off her softness and kind of like, and I got this at Michael's as well. And I'm playing off her softness and this kind of reminded me of all those little secret passageways that he has. And then I'm just going to be using a black Papermate marker from the Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and take my pages out. And this spread is going to be from February the 5th through February the 11th. And I'm so glad everybody enjoyed that Super Bowl theme. I had a blast doing it. Okay, so let's cut our paper. I've decided that I want this to be the dominant paper in this. But I love the Phantom of the Opera. I always watch it whenever I can, and I have the DVD of it, and I even went to the movies to see it, so I just love it. And then this paper is just so elegant, just like she is, and bright and cheerful. All right, let's see how this is going to look. Oh, I'm going to love it. I can tell already. It's going to be really cute. Just what I wanted. Oh, love it. Okay, let's put it down. Oh, I really do like that. The softness against the music, against the darkness. I really do like that. So let's put our washi down. And what I've done is I went ahead and covered some of this where I'm going to put the dark because I didn't want it to bleed through that pinkish color. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to alternate and do the dark every other one. And then I'm going to put her flowers in here because that's basically the movie and the play. I mean, it's just the dance between the dark and the light. Oh, I really like that. And I think I'll go ahead and put some of this dark down through here too. I like that. I really do like that. Okay, let's put down our stickers. And I made my own stickers just based on the Phantom of the Opera. And I'm going to put this one right here. And then this one where he has his mask. I'm going to put it right here. And then we'll put where he's kissing her hand right there. And the chandelier, I think I'm going to just let it kind of have both little sections there. And then here's where she's dancing with the guy that she met after all those years and fell in love with. I'm going to put them right here. And then the Phantom has her here, singing to her and holding her. Put that about right there. And then here's where the guy that she loves is kissing her, and the phantom is off in the distance listening. And then here's the phantom down in his little cavern that he has. I'm going to put this down here. And then here he's singing to her and she's leaning up against him. Put that there. And then he's got her under his spell in this one. I think I'll put this one right here. And then here she's trying to get away from him, and she just is like, I'll never love you. And then here he's so vulnerable, and he showed her, she saw what he looked like without his mask. I think that turned out really nice. So let me write some things down that I need to remember. Okay, let's put it back in our planner and see what it looks like. Oh, I love it. I love the play against the light against the dark, the happy against the sad and tormented. I really love the stickers that I made and the paper and the washi. I love how it turned out. Okay, what I also did was just printed out a larger sticker and put it on some of that paper with the musical notes and just punched holes and then cut it out. And I'm going to put this in here. And I really think that adds a really special flair to this. I really love how it turned out. So this is how it looks. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.